it doesn't really matter if few people are corrupt. But when you live in the societies of today, where you have big organizations and corporate organizations and all sorts of things, there if you indulge in corruption, if individuals who run those organizations, if they indulge corruption, it harms the country as a whole. We in Pakistan, we've had this problem from the very beginning. And a lot of people have tried to correct it. The first attempt was made by Ayub Khan, Field Marshal Ayub Khan, who started off his EBDO, if you recall, Elective Body Disqualification Organization. And a very interesting story which I learned, which I found, my father told me the story, because my father was also part of civil service in those days. And he said that there was, he asked one of his assistants, secretaries, to get hold of all the secretaries of the government and asked them to declare their assets. So he sent out a message and everybody declared their assets, and they said they have one house or two houses or two cars or whatever. And it was put up to him. There's one secretary, who I don't know who his name was, but one secretary who mentioned that he had 3-4 houses, he had about 4 or 5 cars, he had a house abroad, he had all these things. So this secretary who was appointed by Ayub Khan